Hi. The being National Mental Health Week, I wanted to shine a light on trauma and help raise awareness on the subject. Over the last 12 to 18 months, the pandemic has had a notable and direct impact on mental health, particularly in areas of attachment, bereavement, and trauma. Having experienced trauma personally, and with trauma being more prevalent in the lives of those around us, if not our own, I wanted to share some of the things I learned and explore some of my own thoughts and feelings in relation to trauma. Trauma impacts the lives of many. It's believed 1 in 3 adults have experienced some type of traumatic experience, and it's said that 1 in 13 young people have been a victim. So, what is trauma? Well, it's physical as well as mental. It's specifically defined as the response to an extremely difficult or deeply distressing event that overwhelms the ability to cope, causes feelings of hopelessness, and results in a loss in the sense of self and the ability to feel the full range of emotions. So, when we talk about trauma, it's not just a physical phenomenon, it's psychological or emotional. And in that, we might mean the situations or events we find traumatic and how we are affected by those experiences. As a coping mechanism, I found taking notes of my feelings to be really useful in self evaluating and trying to identify triggers for myself. I'm now going to share a poem I wrote which explores an emotional journey. My world has collided, pulled into a void of emptiness. Reality has subsided. It hits me with something lethal. Pow! Pow! The dry taste of loss tugs on my stomach until I wrench on denial. My headspace throwing up thought after thought, regurgitating on uncertainty and disbelief. My mind is triggered and fires off tricky, sticky thoughts and relived episodes. My cliffhanger is the torment of adrenaline-fueled thoughts of self-sabotage. I'm sinking in a downward spiral. In my hand, a blade of acceptance that cuts deep into my spinal cord, where severed nerves are sufficient and self-serving words to explain my paralysis. I'm stuck. All I want is isolation. Take me to the place where I can escape this ping pong of contemplation, the back and forth of wrestling with guilt and blame. Make it stop. And to make it stop, silence. Inhale, exhale, breathe deep. So why does this place look and feel familiar? I don't need a sat-nav or a road map to know I've never been here before or to work out the direction I'm heading in. This cycle is continuous, and no matter how hard I pedal, I'm still here. How do I move forward? I could almost kill to get off of this proverbial treadmill. Help. Is anybody there? What do I do? What can you do? Accept your reality. There's no big eureka from the speaker. Keep an awareness of your emotions. Monitor them like a PC. Look for small life hacks to make each day rewarding, if not more manageable. Find reason to turn your frown upside down. It's the little things that count. Conversate with those who can relate. Look for a listening ear. Make a big effort to take small steps forward. And avoid anticlimax. Take each day as it comes. And remember, trauma is like grief, a pocket watch thief. It takes time.